Hello everybody. Today we are going to see another example for partial order planning, changing a flat tire problem. The problem is our car tire got repaired and became flat. So we need to remove the repaired tire from the car and put the spare tire on the car axle. The goal is to have a good spare tire properly mounted on the car axle, and the initial state is it has a flat tire on the axle and a good spare tire in the trunk. This is the initial state, and here they give four actions. First one is removing the spare from the trunk, second one is removing the flat tire from the axle, and third one is putting the spare tire on the axle, and the last one is leaving the car unattended overnight. I don't know why they give this particular action, and for that they gave explanation also. We assume that the car is in particularly bad neighborhood, so the effect of leaving it overnight is that the tires disappear. That is, our neighbors are thief. If you leave the car overnight, the thief will do his own action. The effect of that action is the tires will be disappeared. Here the initial state is flat tire at axle and spare tire at trunk. The goal state is spare tire at axle, car axle. And there are four actions. First one is spare tire should be removed from trunk, and second action is flat tire should remove from axle, and third action is spare put on axle, and fourth one is leave overnight. The first action precondition is spare at the trunk, and the effect is spare not at trunk and spare on the ground. And the precondition for second one is flat at axle, and the effect is flat not at axle and flat at ground. And the precondition for third action is spare tire at ground and flat tire not at axle, and the effect is spare not at ground and spare on the axle. And the precondition for fourth one is nothing, and the effect is spare not at ground and spare not at axle and spare not at trunk and flat not at ground and flat not at axle. That is, all the tires will be disappeared, and this is the effect of fourth action. And now we are going to see the sequence of events. Here we need to include two state, start and finish additionally. That is, these two are dummy states. The first one is start. The start will starts from at spare comma trunk and at a flat comma axle. That is the initial state. And the next one is finish. The precondition for the finish is at spare comma axle. This is the goal state actually. And the sequence of functions are pick only the open precondition at spare comma axle of finish, and choose the only applicable action for this is put on spare comma axle. And next one is pick the at of spare comma ground precondition for the action put on spare comma axle, and the only applicable action to this is remove of spare comma trunk. And next we need to pick at a flat comma axle, which is actually the precondition of action put on spare comma axle. So in the diagram, the plan after choosing leave overnight as a action for achieving not at flat comma axle, to avoid the conflict in the casual link from remove of spare comma trunk at protest at of spare comma ground. Leave overnight is constrained to occur before remove of spare comma trunk as shown by the dashed arrow. To overcome the conflict, here we need to select at of spare comma trunk, which is the precondition of the action remove of spare comma trunk. And next one is consider at flat comma axle, which is the precondition of put on spare comma axle. This time we have to choose remove flat comma axle. Once again pick At of spare comma trier, which is the precondition of remove of spare comma trunk, and choose the start to achieve it. This time there are no conflicts. And the last one is pick the at of flat comma axle precondition of remove of flat comma axle and choose the start to achieve it. And this is the final solution of flat tire problem. And in the diagram note that remove of spare comma trunk and remove of flat comma axle, these two actions can be done in either order, and these two actions should be completed before the action put on spare comma axle action. And that's all about exchanging flat tire problem using partial adder planning. And thank you all of you.